right. So Ethan went out of his way and made this gear. Uh, we could optimize this gear to fit our Tetrix system. We would probably change this into a D-shaped borehole rather than having a keyway. The keyway is great, but that's for usually larger motors like an FRC. We would also probably want to take one of these lines and find out the diameter that our bolt holes are spaced on the Tetrix kit. Make one circle that's that diameter, and then put 4 or 6 screw holes the size that they are in here. So we can definitely do all that. I think once you get to this point, that stuff's not that hard. But let me show you how to change this now so we can 3D print it. Um, so you see it's a flat object. So what we want to do, we come in here, we're going to extrude. So you'll notice I clicked on this, right? So the actually first thing we should do, let's select the entire object, type in join. What you'll see is it's going to join it in sections. So now that's all joined. Or over here, that's all joined. So let's do it again. Highlight the whole thing, join. Now that's joined and this is joined. So for sake of ease, I'm going to extrude these one at a time and make that one a little larger. So extrude, then I extrude it to a height of 1. Now we can come in here, you can see we've created a 3D object. I'm going to come in here and do the same thing, except I'm going to extrude this to a height of 0.75. Right, and you'll notice this is a little taller than the gear. It's good for our purposes right now. What we want to do is use the subtract tool. So we type in subtract, we can click here, select our first object, select our second object, and when we change the view, it didn't work, and that wasn't joined. So let's Command Z back. It was joined. Alright, so one more time, subtract. And there we go. So we had 2 3D shapes, and we subtract the center hole from the larger gear. If you do it backwards, the whole gear disappears, and you'll have to adjust the solid center hole. So there you have it. Thank you again for doing that, Ethan. Good work.